Here we go. A 1, a 2, a 1, 2, 3. I'm beyond the fridge. I'm beyond life. Let's have Papa John's pizza. And you know we're gonna call it a night. I'm back again. Jesus Christ. For the first time in Triple T's mukbang history, I will be eating pizza delivery on top of my fridge. And I know you all love these beyond the fridges. I don't know why. So because you know I'm a slut, and I got two 10-inch pizzas. They look huge. I don't know what is going on. For me, this looks like a medium. I got a donier, and I got a works. So let's start with the works. I should be cooking. Terrible. Oh, that does look delicious, guys. Oh my god, look at that. That's small. This thing is huge. How is this small? I almost want to be like Steven Sushi, blue cheese, and just friggin' he rips the box open sideways and he just goes to town. But I kind of want to put this in my fridge to save it. I got some garlic dip here too. Oh, yummy, yummy. This came super fast. It's been a minute, guys, since I've had pizza. Oh. I scrolled back and looked, and the last time I had pizza, which was a frozen pizza mukbang, that was 8 months ago. So it is time to bring y'all something new. Now, I don't know if you guys watch the channel Steven Sushi, but he should be called Steven Pizza. He honestly should. If you look at his channel, he really does more often than not have pizza. And I'm like, buddy, I've never seen you eating sushi. Why is your name Steven Sushi? I love these. I could eat a whole jar of these. Oh my god. Oh, I forgot how lovely pizza can be. Oh my god. That is stellar. Papa John's come through. So I hope everyone's doing well. And if you are watching these, thank you. Some people I don't want, some of my friends, I don't want them to know about this channel. They're probably like, this guy is something beyond. But my sunglass video did not do well. You guys did not like my sunglasses mukbang. And I'm a bit hurt. I don't know how, because some of my other followers, Christ, they've reached now, what is it? I don't know. They've reached like these high, and I'm like, I'm still sitting up in this motherfucker eating on top of my fridge. Spicy garlic. Ooh, excited for this. This is the Donair pizza, guys. Oh, look at that. Oh, Christ almighty. I remember the days when Dory used to watch. Now she's got a kid, so she never watches my videos. Bitch. Okay. It's still very oily. Like they're, well, I guess they're, are they aioli? I don't know, their sauces are always melty. Are they supposed to be like that? Oh no. Oh wow. Oh wow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Holy shit. That is good, guys. This really feels big for 10-inch. Wow. That's being a lot of bread. So yeah, I'm here. I'm now celebrating. I just reached 160 subscribers. I have a lot of followers on another site, but we're not going to talk about that. Yum, 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 yum. Oh my god. Oh, they got the sweet sauce on there, just like it's supposed to be. That is pretty damn close to a Nova Scotian Donair. That's crazy. Oh, I wish I had more of the Donair sauce. Oh, that's so good. Maybe I should do like some sort of a Donair kebabs. Oh my god. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, y'all. Oh, is this a pepperoni on it? Okay. That's why I wanted to get the works, because I was like, usually I like a little bit of everything. That's why it's so damn hard to choose a pizza, because I like everything. Y'all, I am full. I am full sideways. Guess I can take some of this for lunch tomorrow. This one is more simple, classic. It's just nice to have a little bit of veggie, you know? But guys, I really do need to go on a diet. I'm so overweight and I'm not making any efforts to correct it. I'm not exercising, like I said. Something's got to give. At some point, something's got to give. Because I'm like, I got to get out of here. Maybe finally this winter, maybe I can hunker down, set some goals, and get my ass traveling again next year, hopefully. I had this dream of traveling again for like 4 or 5 months, but no. It seems like an impossible thing to reach. But I don't know unless I start trying. But I just feel like so badly. Who is that person before who's traveled to 20 countries? Who is that guy? I mean, that was in the span of 10 years, but I want to travel. It's like the world was already fucked up before COVID. And it's only going to evolve. The world is evolving at a rapid rate. Like rapid. It's a shit show. It's a fucking shit show, mama. I don't know what to think anymore. But I'm really full. And we're at 11 minutes, so that's going to be a long upload. So, thank you so much. Let me crawl down here for joining me on another Triple T. Don't look at my messy kitchen. Oh my goodness. Okay, bye.